The Farmers Insurance Cup, a symbol of skill, strategy, and unwavering teamwork. And today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how we claimed it. This wasn't just about showing up, it was about meticulous preparation and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Our journey began months before the event, with countless hours spent honing our core competencies. We broke down the event into its fundamental components for us. That meant mastering not just the technical aspects of insurance, but also developing exceptional customer communication and understanding intricate market dynamics. Our strategy was built on the foundation of proactive problem-solving. We anticipated challenges, identified potential roadblocks, and developed contingency plans for every scenario. This foresight was crucial in navigating the competitive landscape. Teamwork was our absolute cornerstone. Every member brought unique strengths to the table, and our ability to collaborate, offer constructive feedback, and support each other was paramount. Victory wasn't about individual brilliance, but about collective synergy. The competitive spirit within our team pushed us to excel. We embraced the pressure, learned from every setback, and channeled our energy into delivering our best performance. It was about demonstrating expertise, building trust, and showcasing our genuine commitment to helping clients. Winning the Farmers Insurance Cup was an incredible achievement, a testament to our dedication and the power of a unified vision. It's a reminder that with the right strategy, unparalleled teamwork, and a fierce competitive spirit, anything is possible.